Stampin' Up! Celebration promotion gives you the chance to earn free, exclusive products on qualifying orders, like the Hippest Hippos stamp set or coordinating hippo dies. Perfect for super hip creative combinations. Or the Rings of Love Designer Series paper, designed to coordinate with the Ringed with Nature bundle in the new July through December mini catalog. And don't forget the amazing phrasing stamp set, featuring 17 sentiments that make sure you always say the right thing. There's also the wonderful World Stamp Set and Coordinating Designer Series paper. Get both with one qualifying purchase. But wait, there's more. Join and become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator during Celebration and get the Making Plans collection added free in your starter kit. Earn these products and more for free during Celebration with qualifying orders. Talk to your demonstrator or visit our website at stampinup.com to learn more.